Welcome back everyone to Beard and Care. This is Dr. Ubaid, your friend and your host. You had already watched a lot of my videos and today I have a very good news for you that Beard and Care is now sponsored by Dari Mooch. Dari Mooch is one of the renowned brand in Pakistan who are dealing with the beard care products. It has a very wide range. It's dealing with beard oils, beard balm, beard wax, beard shampoo, combs, scissors, etc. So if you have any kind of query or you want to use any product and you have a lot of questions in your mind that which is the best brand, then I recommend you to go towards Dari Mooch. The best thing about Dari Mooch is that when you place an order to Dari Mooch, they have a very quick delivery time and the package you receive will be like this. Okay, so it's a wooden box. Today the topic which I'm just going to talk about with you is how to oil a beard. Well, most of people know that how to oil a beard, so we can change something like this: how to oil a beard with Dari Mooch. Before oiling a beard, firstly, the most important thing, we have to wash your beard. So we'll go and wash your beard. Some important things which everyone is looking in a beard oil. First thing is that the fragrance. The oil must have a very nice fragrance. Second is that when oil is applied to a beard gets in a very proper shape. It gets shiny structure and it looks shiny, moisturized and provide nutrients to the beard. Now I'll show you how to oil a beard. Firstly, use the dropper, take it out. Okay, completely emptied. Most of the people they first insert the dropper inside the bottle and then press it. No, that's not the right way. First you have to press it, make a vacuum inside the tube, then insert it in the oil, and when you loosen it, all the oil gets in the dropper. One thing more, before oiling a beard, remove all the rings from your hand. As I'm wearing that stone, I just removed it. Now we're going to oil our beard. Firstly press the dropper, put it in the inside the oil and then take it out. Okay, I need this amount as I have a very lengthy beard. Now put it on your palm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I use 10 drops. After then put it back to the bottle. Gently shake the hands like this. Okay, and then apply it on your beard. Yeah, completely. Move all the fingers so that all the hairs get all the oil. Okay. Yeah. If you need more oil, you can use it. Doesn't concern that you have to use only a specific amount. You can use as much as you want to, so that your beard gets completely moisturized. As my beard gets moisturized in this amount, so I use it casually. Yeah. After then, completely close the bottle, and then we'll move towards now brushing a beard. Where is my brush? Yeah. Okay. Here's my cut. I use a round bristle brush. As I've already made a video of how to brush a beard. In this I have completely oiled my beard. Now I'm going to brush it. Okay, yeah. I love my beard. Yeah. The best thing about this oil is that the fragrance. It has a very nice fragrance. And second thing, the most important thing, as I just discussed before, that oil is the best oil which makes a beard in its proper condition. As the best thing about the Dari Mooch is that as I've applied it on my beard, now my beard remains in this condition as much time as I want to have it before washing it. As I've completely combed it, now you can see that is the best thing about it. So, as you can see that how to oil a beard, especially with Dari Mooch. If you have any comment, you can just ask me. Do like the video, and one thing more, never ever forget to subscribe the channel. Also click on the subscribe button.